Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7i, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll down and click on Security and Privacy. After that, scroll down again, tap on Privacy section, and from it select Permission Manager. Now you can finally click on one of your features that you wish to manage. I will go with Camera and select one of those apps, like Opera Mini. Lastly, click on one of those options to apply the chosen one. Sorry. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I click and go back, I can see that Opera Mini just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always tap on any feature and click on an app that you are interested in, like Google Play Store. Now select See All Permissions instead and manage all of them only for chosen app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!